What's going on YouTube? Okay, so what we got going on now, this will be an unboxing, and of course I'm going to put the case and the screen protector on for the Google Pixel 4a. So I don't like traveling or going anywhere without cases on my devices, especially if I paid for them and I didn't get them for free with some carriers, some deals, whatever. So I like to always protect my investment. So what I did, went to Amazon and I got the Spigen Glaster Align Master Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. I don't know if I pronounced that right. If y'all know how to pronounce it, I guess good to you. Alright. So I like this. These are very simple. I never had a Spigen one, but I did get one from Walmart maybe a year or two ago. That's when I first started seeing these type of glass protection, screen protectors for your phone. They had this guard that comes along with it to guide you as you place it on your device, make it more easier. So first time I saw it, like I said, was at Walmart. I guess that's really it too. It ain't no for real detailed information for it. Said real glass surface hardness. Okay. Alright. So there you go, this Spigen case. Screen protector. And then the case we have is from Crave Protection Series case. And believe it or not, this is not a part of the box. This is actually like a stick on for the box. So what do it say here on the back? Ultra slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, precise cutouts, strong, reliable, protective. At Crave, we power and protect your devices. We design products with our core SRP commitment, unbeatable warranty. So I better hold on to this, I guess, paperwork that's going to be in here for the warranty, in case this don't measure up to what they are saying is going to provide for customers. All right, so I'm at a one-handed deal here, so I'm gonna pause this, take them out the boxes, and then I guess put them on. I don't know. You'll see when you get back. All right, hold on. Okay, we're back. All right, now out of the Spigen box, let's see what we get in. Okay, we get the little squeegee thing that you press down your screen protector firmly to your device. Clean your lens to wipe off your front of your device. The shield I was telling you about. Okay, this is in. Okay, this is. Okay, wow. Okay, this is the screen protector, but it's in between these two plastic whatever crap. Didn't know that was going to happen. All right then, but you never had one of these before. Screen protector kits. Basically, you just tell you the top and then tell you the. I'll just tell you the top. Then you just say that you line your screen protector. I think you put it in here first. And then you lay it down like that. And then you put your phone on top of it. If I ain't mistaken, I think that's how I did it. I only did it like once. So, but I think that's how that works. So, you're not going to see all that. You're just going to see the end results when I hopefully put it on here the right way. Now, for the Crave case, all you got was the case And that's it. No paperwork, nothing. So unbeatable warranty. Yeah, maybe it's on the box somewhere. Man, I need to hold on to the box. Well, okay. Here's the little case. It's supposed to be. It is okay. It is a dual layer case. Got your rubber inner part, your hard shell. Okay, feels pretty good. It's like I don't know if you really can see that, but it's like a little design to it. Crave on the bottom. Got your power button here, your volume button, your camera cutout, and your fingerprint sensor for the back of your phone. Your headphone jack, your mic. You get your charging port, your two cutouts at the bottom for your speakers. And I don't know if this is dual speakers. I don't know if it's one a speaker and one is just for design. I haven't checked that out yet, but I will. And I'll let you know when I do my little review, whatever. Hopefully you stick around and watch that. So let me put this stuff on and get back to you, and then you see the finished results. All right. Okay, that didn't work. Hey, we are back. Now, got this joker on. The directions or the attempt to tell you how to put this on from the beginning, completely forget about it. Way off. Sort of. So what you do, you got to, like I showed you earlier in the first part of this clip, was that the directions are under between this thing and the other piece. But it's also, I forgot to mention that they come with two screen protectors. But directions real simple. You just take it out. You wipe up your phone real clean, real good, clean it real good, and then you place the actual screen guard on first. Then you put your screen protector on and you push it down and you take a little squeegee thing, whatever, to make sure all the bubbles is gone. But simple process. It's quite easy, and it looks, this phone is not the best. This camera's not the best, but it looks pretty. I got it on it pretty even. That guard, it makes it so easy and simple to do it. So it's on there pretty good. But now I can tell you about this right now. If you decide to get this for it don't have a cutout for the camera. It actually covers the camera, which I guess is a good thing. As long as you make sure it's clean. Hopefully I don't have no debris under there. I did clean the screen pretty good and wiped it off pretty good. Ooh. Yeah. So there you go. Now pop the case on, and hopefully it's an easy process. And it works well with the screen protector. So cool. So if you decide to do the combination I have done through Amazon, $11.99 for this Crave case, $11.99 for this Spigen screen protector, you will not have any issues. The screen protector will work well with this design of a case. Well, this certain design. Okay, the cutouts look pretty good. See the mic, you can see the headphone jack. Look pretty good for the back camera, fingerprint sensor, and the cutouts on the bottom. So there you have it. To those that watch my other video of the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a. Thank you so much. I was so surprised that I had that many people to actually watch that video, and I haven't done a YouTube video in a long time, so appreciate you. Thank you. And to those that are going to watch this video, thank you as well. I hope that I helped somebody with a decision on getting them a designer type of case for their phone if they into the blue. Look like this the blue year. The iPhone came out with the blue. Samsung came out with a couple of blue phones this year. I mean, they had blue phones before, but it just seemed like blue is a major color right now in the tech phone industry. So, all right, stay tuned for something else. I plan on doing some more videos. So, thank you. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day. Peace.